What's up guys, Michael here, coming to you with another video. This time we're going to be talking about resetting of your Sony headphones WH-1000XM3. Now, there are two types of resets, soft and hard resets, so let's get started. Now, in order for us to get started with the soft resets, the first step would be to plug it into the charger. So again, you can have the cable plugged into either PC or directly through the plug. And the second step would be really holding the power button. So on your headsets you'd have power button and the NC ambient button. So you'd have to actually hold both of them together. So I'm just going to hold that. And you have to hold it for at least 7 seconds. So we just hold it. And I just keep on holding for a little bit longer just to be on the safe side. And just let go. And that's your soft reset. Now, with soft reset, the pairing information is not deleted. So the device still actually holds that information. Now, if you want the device to keep on charging as it stopped charging, you have to actually disconnect it and reconnect it back again. So I would probably recommend charging it extra and then trying pairing the device again. Now, if that doesn't work and let's say you still won't be able to connect your device, or you're still having some issues with the sound quality or pairing, I would recommend performing hard reset. So with the hard reset, you have to make sure that the device is completely turned off. So let's say if you have a device that's turned on and you have some blinking going on, you just hold it to make sure there's no any light. And for me it also says that the power is off. So now while the device is completely off, you don't need any cables. You just basically hold power button and the NC ambient button together. And while holding, you should see 4 times, the blue indicator should blink 4 times. So we're gonna hold it. Yeah, we could see that it blinked 4 times. And that means that the hard reset has been successfully performed. Now, something to mention about that, the hard reset will reset the volume settings and pairing information. Now you'd of course have to remove pairing from your device, but the headset will delete all the pairing settings. Any updates that you've done on your headset, that would be retained. And also a voice language on the device won't be changed with that hard reset. So that's not gonna happen. But definitely that's a good step if you have any issues, maybe turning on the device, or maybe sound quality, or let's say having some pairing or connecting issues, things like that. I definitely recommend those 2 steps. Okay, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you have any additional questions. I hope you liked it. Please thumbs up, support this channel, and I hope you have a great time. Take care.